heaping up of present suffering, verily, due to sensuous craving, conditioned through sensuous craving, impelled by sensuous craving, entirely moved by sensuous craving. Kings fight with kings, princes with princes, priests with priests, citizens with citizens. The mother quarrels with the son with the mother, the father with the son with the father, brother quarrels with brother, brother with sister, sister with brother, friend with friend. Thus, given to dissension, quarreling, and fighting, they fall upon one another with fists, sticks, or weapons, and thereby they suffer death or deadly pain. Well, that's certainly most of war, right? Start with somebody wanting something they don't need and is willing to take from others. Or maybe they need something and they're not thinking whether or not there's another way. And further, due to sensuous craving, conditioned through sensuous craving, impelled by sensuous craving, entirely moved by sensuous craving, people break into houses, rob, plunder, pillage whole houses, commit highway robbery, seduce the wives of others. Then the rulers have such people caught and inflict on them various forms of punishment, and thereby they incur death or deadly pain. Now this is the misery of sensuous craving, the heaping up of suffering in this present life due to sensuous craving, conditioned through sensuous craving, caused by sensuous craving, entirely dependent on sensuous craving.